Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can check the current iOS version running on your iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from your home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on General. Then tap on About. Next, in here, you'll be able to find the iOS version. At the moment on my device, it is version 16.0.1. And you can see here, if I tap on it, it gives you a brief description of your current iOS. It said that this update includes improvements and bug fixes for the iPhone. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.